What should I expect from roof repair quotes in Mathews, North Carolina? When requesting roof repair quotes, in Mathews, expect clear pricing for labor, materials, and any necessary roofing services. We ensure transparency in every quote. How do I find reliable roof repair quotes? To get accurate roof repair quotes, work with experienced roofers. At Mathews Roofing, our professional roofers provide honest estimates based on your specific roofing needs. Should I get multiple roof repair quotes? It's always good to compare quotes. However, Mathews Roofing offers fair pricing with high attention to detail, making us a top choice for quality roofing. What affects the cost of roof repair quotes? The size of the roof, material choice, and extent of damage influence costs. We handle both residential roofing and metal roofing contractor jobs, ensuring your budget is met. How fast can I get roof repair quotes in Mathews? At Mathews Roofing, we offer quick roof repair quotes, often within the same day. Our team of experienced roofers is ready to help. Contact us for fast and reliable roof repair quotes in Mathews, North Carolina.